Apple Numbers offers several efficient methods for inserting rows into your spreadsheets. Each method is designed to fit different workflows and user preferences. The right-click method is intuitive and accessible. Simply select any row, right-click to open the context menu, and choose whether to add a row above or below your selection. The second method uses the table menu in the menu bar. This approach provides the same functionality through the application's main navigation. For power users, keyboard shortcuts provide the fastest way to insert rows. The shortcuts vary slightly between Mac and web versions, but follow logical patterns. On Mac, use Option plus the up arrow to add a row above, or Option plus down arrow to add below. The web version uses Control plus Shift plus the plus key. The fourth method is particularly useful when you need to add multiple rows at once. This drag and drop approach can save significant time for bulk operations. Click the row number to select the entire row, then drag the small handle at the bottom of your selection downward. The further you drag, the more rows you create in one action. All these methods work consistently across Apple's ecosystem. Whether you're using Numbers on Mac, iPad, iPhone, or through the web browser, the functionality remains the same. An important feature across all methods is that newly inserted rows automatically inherit the formatting from adjacent rows, maintaining consistency in your spreadsheet design. Numbers offers powerful autofill functionality that automatically detects patterns in your data. When you add new rows, Numbers can recognize sequences like dates, numbers, and text patterns. For more control over data entry, Numbers provides manual fill options. You can use fill down to copy content from above or create custom sequences with fill series for specific patterns. The Format Painter tool allows you to copy formatting from one cell to another without copying the actual content. This is perfect for maintaining consistent styling across your new rows. Conditional formatting automatically extends to new rows, maintaining visual consistency. Color scales, data bars, and icon sets dynamically adjust as you add more data to your spreadsheet. Numbers provides comprehensive cell style management through the Format panel. You can choose from predefined styles or create custom styles that maintain consistency across your entire spreadsheet. These filling and formatting features work together to streamline your data entry process and ensure visual consistency across your spreadsheets, making your work more efficient and professional.